Ethereum is dead. Ethereum has crashed. Proof of stake was a failure. Okay, guys, this is another classic example of buy the rumor, sell the news, and we've seen it today with the merge. And following the merge, or the successful finalization through to proof of stake, we've seen the price of Ethereum come from low 1700s down to the high $1,400 levels. Market cap down to 179 billion. The price is down 7%, and we are down 5% against Bitcoin. So things are not looking too good for Ethereum right now. So let's take a little look at what's going on. In my opinion, it was another sort of case of buy the rumor, sell the news, right? And before we do get started with the price analysis, I just want to show you an interesting chart here. So here was the supply since merge. The first 2 days, the supply actually dropped quite significantly, well, the first 24 hours, shall we say. But just recently, the supply has been coming back up very, very rapidly. We've had a 300 increase of the Ethereum supply. So it brings us almost back to the same supply level from the beginning of the merge itself. There's another really interesting chart here. I want to show you the ETH supply 200-year projection. So by 2050, it's projected that there's going to be about 83.9 million Ethereum in supply, which of course is a humongous difference in contrast to the supply of today. Effectively, this deflationary mechanism should increase the price of Ethereum quite substantially over the next few years. So if you're looking at doing a long-term hold and you want to make some big buck, maybe Ethereum is just simply a 10, 20 or 30-year investment strategy. Who knows? Here we have the London burn, and here is the merge, the proof of work removal. We can see this is a forecast again. So here is the total supply that we're sitting at is 120.5 mil, and they're saying by 2024 there's going to be 116.4 million. So we should see 4 million Ethereum reduced from the total supply. And before, from 2016, over the last 6 years, the supply has only ever increased. So this is amazing, guys. Let's not feel bearish just because of the buy the rumor, sell the news. It's going to happen. It's crypto. Things go up, things go down. If you look 10 years ahead, that's when things become easy, because what happens tomorrow doesn't matter, what happens next week doesn't matter, what happens next month will not matter, and you're not going to get invalidated by your emotion, right, and make the wrong choice. If you just simply hold, like from a bear market through to a bull market, just like if you bought over here, let's say 2018, you'd be up by 43x. That's right, guys, 43x. That is the incredible gain. So let's try and view it the same way. In my opinion, what happened was, over here from January to April, we had the first merge hype. We had a rally, created a 51% pump. From the bottom over here on the 16th of June, when Bitcoin crashed through the 200-week moving average, we also had the Terra Luna crash, in May. That was really, really terrific. That was just a horrible, horrible thing. Very deleterious effects across the whole crypto markets. We can see, of course, this was on the 12th of May. Crash. 18th of June crash. Oh, crypto is really low in price. Let's create more merge hype. Let's reel in those investors. Let's get people hopeful again. So we saw a 132% increase here, and this is where we got rejected. On the 14th of August, the price has come down again. In my opinion, I think it's unlikely that we are going to go below, where are we? Below this support level. This is a very, very key support level of $1414. Very, very key. Hopefully we aren't going to lose that support level, because it looks like we're starting to draw ourselves a bit of a descending channel, probably a falling wedge, to be honest. So there is still a chance that we could capitulate, lose the $1,400 support level, and if we did, there's again another chance of coming down to these lower support ranges. The next support level I have in mind here for Ethereum is going to be around about this $1,281 level if we do unfortunately retrace. Using our Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top here, the swing high, you can see that we're just touching down on that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hop into the Discord, come say hi, don't be shy. We're talking about everything from pre-sales to DeFi to staking, blue chips, Bitcoin, Ethereum, news, the whole lot. So come get yourself into the Discord just down below. It's the only way you'll ever be able to message me, because I do reply in comments on YouTube, but I just will not actually directly message anyone. And if someone is, I trust you or trust myself, whatever, it's an impersonator, right? It's someone trying to basically scam you. So I will never message you first. If you're also new to the channel, guys, come and support my journey. If you want to become a patron, a whole lot of love, sprinkle some generosity, or support the journey, you're going to get access to the premium Discord, a free ebook packed with value, spot and leverage trading signals, which will be available on the Discord, and you can also get some optional like one-on-one lessons or tutorials or whatever you might need. Of course, I'm a very busy person, but I will try my best to help you. So please support the journey. I've got 5 patrons at the moment. If you want to be number 6, that'd be smashing. And yeah, let's crack on with the remainder of the video here. So we can see we're potentially forming a falling wedge. If this is the bottom right here, and this bounce off of the 1419 support is actually legitimate, we could hopefully spark another bounce in the future. So we need to retest 1557, retest 1650, and break out this falling wedge. The technical price target is something I want to look at for the breakout, and that's going to be the depth of the wedge itself. So if we do break out soon, we could easily still come back up to the $1,900 level. Yes, that is right, ladies and gents, 1900. Ethereum is looking extremely undervalued from its historic high. Over here, the all-time high of $4,865. We are still massively undervalued. We went to an 81% drop through to 70% undervaluation of today. And to be honest, that's quite impressive. It only corrected 80%. Many altcoins with lower market caps have done 95+% correction. So well done, Ethereum, for holding the line over here at $900. Very, very good to see this. But of course, on the macro scale, still in a significant downtrend. Got the high here, got a lower high, and of course another lower high, and we've just put through the next lower high. So until we break out these kind of macro resistance levels, it's hard to feel extremely bullish. Maybe we can sort of break through this diagonal resistance soon, but it's all about buy the rumor, sell the news at the moment. The whales want to control you, and they are absolutely doing it. They've been controlling me. I bought some Ethereum a few days ago, and I am actually not in profit on that, but I'm going to hold because I believe that we will sail back up to the $1,800, and this is a nice dollar cost average opportunity right here. If we look, we're oversold on the 4-hour RSI. So historically as well, let's just quickly have a look. What does the 4-hour RSI actually propose to us? Here we got a small bounce. Here we got bounce. Look at that oversold position over here as well. Historically, buying the oversold 4-hour position, it results in a good pump. There we had a nice 25% pump. Here we had a great 30% pump. How did I miss this one? So yes, this is a buying signal. Buy Ethereum now. We're oversold. In my opinion, it's time to grab some Ethereum. Not financial advice, but look at the data. Every single freaking time over here, guys, we are seeing an increase. There is no data showing that we see a downtrend after these oversold positions. Yes, macro, but we get a bounce from these oversold positions. So I would now speculate that we're on the verge to making maybe a 13% bounce to about $1,671. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button, get yourself into the Discord channel, please. That would really be awesome. There's 500 people in here at the moment. Consider becoming a patron. You can find the link down below for the trading signals and much more. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now, you lovely people, you.